Did you know that mastering transformer assembly skills can improve efficiency by up to 30% in electrical engineering projects? Many professionals overlook how small details like proper coil winding or insulation can make or break a power system. Transformers are the heart of power distribution from massive industrial grids to home energy systems. But building or assembling them correctly requires more than just tools. It requires precision, patience, and professional skill. Today, we'll uncover how mastering transformer assembly can set you apart in the field of electrical engineering. Presentation of problem. Challenge. Transformer assembly isn't as simple as stacking cores and winding copper. Many technicians face challenges like incorrect coil tension leading to uneven magnetic flux, improper insulation causing short circuits or overheating, lack of safety awareness during high-voltage testing. Even experienced engineers sometimes rush through the alignment process, leading to vibration, noise, or energy loss in the final product. These are costly mistakes that proper training can eliminate. Exploration, development. So, what essential skills make a great transformer? Precision winding techniques. Learn to maintain uniform tension and spacing, especially in disc or layer windings. Advanced insulation methods. Use the right insulation papers, varnishes, and spacers to ensure thermal stability. Core assembly knowledge. Understand core stacking, clamping pressure, and minimizing air gaps. Safety protocols. Follow proper grounding, PPE, and testing procedures to prevent accidents. Mastering these not only improves product quality, but also builds your reputation as a skilled professional in the electrical industry. Climax. Key moment here. The truth. One of the most common mistakes in transformer assembly is poor coil alignment. Even a 1 mm offset can create uneven magnetic fields, causing extra losses and noise. Always double-check alignment before final sealing, and ensure the core bolts are tightened to the correct torque. That small attention to detail can save thousands of dollars in energy loss and repairs. To recap, focus on precision, insulation, alignment, and safety. These transformers assembly skills ensure your systems run reliably, efficiently, and safely for years to come. Have you faced any challenges during transformer assembly? Share your experience in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for our next video, Advanced Transformer Testing Techniques. How to detect faults before they happen.